How to Create an Artifact in Claude AI 2026 Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create an artifact in Claude AI, a powerful feature that lets you build documents, templates, and projects right beside your chat. Let's get started. First, open Claude AI on your browser or desktop app. Step 1. Enable Artifacts feature. Click on your profile icon in the corner. Now go to Settings. Look for Feature Preview if available. Find Artifacts and turn the toggle on. If it's already enabled, you're good to go. If you don't see it, refresh the page or update the app to the latest version. Step 2. Open Artifacts Workspace, optional. Now go to the sidebar and click on Artifacts. This is like your workspace where you can view previous artifacts, manage your projects, and start new ones easily. Step 3. Create your first artifact. Go back to the chat and type a clear request. For example, create an artifact, a meeting agenda template with sections for goals, notes, and action items. Make sure to include format like Markdown, document, etc., sections you want, any styling preferences. Step 4. View the artifact. Once Claude understands your request, the artifact will appear in a separate panel next to your chat. This makes it easy to edit, review, and improve your work without losing the conversation. If Artifact doesn't appear, check if Artifacts is turned on, try a more specific prompt, refresh the page. Pro tip: Artifacts are perfect for templates, documents, code projects, and content creation. And that's it. Now you know how to create and use artifacts in Claude AI like a pro. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.